Hello, Geometry Honors. Let's wrap up the 12-1 notes. We added this page because these words are going to come back in multiple lessons in Chapter 12, so we want you to be comfortable using them, knowing what they mean, and everything. So here we go. The Platonic solids are named after Plato, right? There's the word Plato, Platonic solids. And so the most important thing here is they are three-dimensional figures that are made up the same congruent regular polygon. And so there are only 5 that exist. So in random order, not random, my decided order, the cube is the easiest because you've been working with that for many years. So each face on the cube is a square, and there are 6 of those square faces. All right, next up, equilateral triangle. And so go ahead and duplicate that, or copy and paste, whatever you do. Somebody taught me duplicate. I love that. And it's fast. So that's going to go in those 3 places there. So the tetrahedron sometimes is called a regular triangular pyramid, and that is 4 congruent equilateral triangles, 1 for the base, and then 3 to make the lateral faces. The octahedron would be if you took 2 square pyramids and put them on top of each other for a total of 8 congruent equilateral triangles. And the icosahedron, or some people say icosahedron, I wouldn't recommend trying to make this one right now in your house, but that would be 20 congruent equilateral triangles. Super cool. So those will all show, well, actually the first 3, these are the ones that are going to show up in some problems. The other ones are just more for fun. And then last but not least, dodecahedron. If you can zoom in, you can look. Those are regular pentagons. And you might already know dodeca, 2 plus 10 is 12. So 12 congruent regular pentagons. So I just want you to be familiar with those. Practice drawing them, especially these 3 will show up in some notes and some homework. If you think this is really cool, there is an online interactive activity where you can see these shapes, both 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional, and you could find the number of sides on each face, the number of vertices, the number of edges, if you feel like doing that. But right now, they'll just be comfortable with those guys and their shapes and how many shapes make them up. So thanks for listening. Have a fantastic day.